How do you know all this, that we should take breaks?
This is just common sense. This is just common sense, not technical sense.
ठीक है भाई, ऐसा बोल दिया ना तुम. Okay guys, today we shot the podcast for 20 minutes. Right
and
now.
there was a technical glitch, so we lost all of it.
And suddenly one of the laptops just boom.
देखो कितना बार बोला यार, चांदनी से मत लिया कर
भाई ये चांदनी
भाई, अच्छे क्वालिटी से लिया कर
भाई, मतलब
क्या यार सागर
भाई अच्छा था यार. ठीक है. I don't know what went wrong. I'll have a backup. Never. I'm so अभी पता कितना अंदर से exhausted लग रहा है, क्योंकि podcast शुरू करके खत्म हुआ.
We were right into the groove, like कहाँ की बातें खुल रही
भाई
थी.
सही. क्या खुल रही थी
बातें, like you know, I unlocked some memories I didn't even know I had. At that stage we had reached the conversation.
सही बात है. But never mind. So today we have Chirag Agarwal, my very dear friend in the podcast, and he is a CA because we are interviewing CAs right now to make sure you don't do it.
Okay, that was nice one.
ये अच्छा है ना. तो भाई अच्छा ये बात बताओ यार, आप CA बने हो कितना साल हो गया?
So it's been more than 2 years that I qualified.
More than 2 years. So you got a job instantly after being a CA?
Yeah, so I am working in PwC in Gurgaon in M&A Tax.
तो बिग फोर.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बिग फोर का अलग मीनिंग होता है क्या अलग अलग शहर में कि
No.
मतलब दिल्ली वाला में जाओगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है?
No, I mean obviously some profiles are better located in like some areas. Like if you talk about M&A Tax, Bombay and Delhi is good for it. If you talk about startups,
M&A tax is what? Merger and acquisition.
merger and acquisition tax. Yeah.
अच्छा.
If you talk about startups, then you go to Bangalore. So like there are hubs. Like for something, अगर तेरे को कच्चा में करना है तो बड़ा बाजार जाओगे कैलकाटा. Like उसी टाइप का होता है.
समझ गए. हवाला ट्रांजैक्शन. हवाला.
Yeah.
But ठीक है. So Chirag is a CA right now. He has been working in PwC for approximately 2 years. Sorry.
More than 2 years now.
More than 2 years now, and he has been working from home for the maximum part of it.
Correct.
पूरा maximum part भाई
Yeah,
technically.
yeah. So like
कितना दिन हो गया यहाँ पे? कितना साल हो गया यहाँ पे?
when I joined PwC in November 19.
Right.
I was there. I was in Gurgaon till mid-March. That's when COVID happened. And for the past 1 year and 8 months, I am in Calcutta only working from home. I haven't been to office a single day after that. Yeah.
My God. What do you? That is a lucky move.
I mean, it sometimes it feels that I'm lucky, but because even staying at home, I'm getting the chance to get the exposure of Gurgaon or a different location. But कभी-कभी लगता है यार बाहर जाने का मन था, यही तो एज है, इंडिपेंडेंटली रहने का मन था. So it's both ways. I mean, two sides of a coin, if you say.
Oof, nice. But ठीक है, मतलब so Chirag has been with me since class 1 स्कूल में. Literally कभी नोटिस नहीं किए एक दूसरे को.
मैंने भी नहीं.
हाँ, कभी नहीं. And but he has been there in the shadows.
I am the shadow.
Oh sorry. Hey, वैसा जोक नहीं मार सकते. It will be considered ethically unsound.
Okay. Note.
That is too much vocabulary. I think so. But ठीक है, it's fine. तो भाई we went to South Point in Calcutta, South Point High School, then high school. ये logic क्या है? Because DPS does not have another high school.
There were two complexes, no?
That is how they decided.
Yeah, because they didn't get a huge space in central
I think
Calcutta.
they got a very huge space, but they got a larger audience to fit in.
That is also true.
Our junior school was not that small. It was huge. Compare it to
Yeah, majority of the area was reserved for bus parking. if you recall.
We never had a playground. A proper
We had
playground.
a basketball court that was also used for march pass and PT and all that stuff.
Yeah, I mean most of the time cars were parked there.
The playground for us was Chaplin Park.
Yeah, that was another park altogether.
Yeah.
Which is right now another pura renovated park where nobody
Park
goes.
right now.
That is Citizens Park. Yeah. But it was a nice locality.
It was a nice locality. It's very centrally located also.
Yeah,
easy to
it was-
access.
That's why I think there was so much of a crowd there.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. But the crowd was very indifferent from us. To be very honest, पूरा एक अलग crowd होता था स्कूल में और हम लोग अलग ही चल रहे
हाँ,
होते
मतलब
थे.
if you talk about the ratio only, like us being Hindi speaking students and
Yeah.
Marwadis and all, like if you talk about the
Obviously,
ratio,
see, we are in Bengal, so we have to have majority Bengalis.
But-
if you go to Punjab, you will have Punjabis.
but the ratio was too high, like 8:1.
Yeah, yeah.
8 sections of Bengalis and 1 section of Hindi speaking students.
Yeah, and but compare it to other schools like DPS or some other school here, तो उसमें केंद्र विद्यालय, you get more Hindi kids.
Yeah, that's true.
Usually, it's a very good ratio. Like it's almost 50-50.
Yeah, I mean more dominated by Hindi speaking students than Bengali.
Yeah. But I think it is probably because South Point was very well known in the Bengali crowd from the very beginning कि भाई मतलब यहाँ पर अच्छा परवरिश होता है and हम लोग का स्कूल
Parvarish.
and हम लोग का स्कूल was very well known for very good teaching.
Yeah, I mean,
Not teaching, very good पढ़ाई.
I still remember I read some article somewhere and even my parents told me about it. I was like, जब
एशिया का
एशिया का बेस्ट स्कूल हुआ
हाँ.
when we were admitted in 2000s, तब एशिया का नंबर 1 लार्जेस्ट स्कूल, बेस्ट टीचिंग फैकल्टी, सब कुछ होता था.
I
And it stayed there, it never evolved.
हाँ हाँ एंड मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, अपडेट्स नहीं आया उस पे.
Correct.
एशिया का बेस्ट स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो बट देन अच्छा
Updates आए तो support नहीं किया maybe.
नाउ दैट आई चेक एशिया का बेस्ट स्कूल्स, ऐसा कोई ब्लॉग या
South
आर्टिकल
Point
नहीं है.
is nowhere, dude.
लाइक वो
ठीक है,
appeal नहीं
let's
करता.
not diss our school so much.
ना ना यार इट्स फाइन. आई एम नॉट डिसिंग आवर स्कूल, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग वी जस्ट डाइजेस्टेड पुराना जमाना का
That's
व्हाट्सएप
Rahman
फॉरवर्ड.
Macho. That's Rahman Macho.
वी डाइजेस्टेड व्हाट्सएप का पुराना जमाना का एक सर्कुलेशन
That's true.
एंड वेरीफाई नहीं किया था. आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट इज रॉन्ग राइट नाउ आल्सो. बट ठीक है, इट वाज अ वेरी, आई थिंक इट वाज अ क्रेजी राइड. द
Yeah.
12 years of our school, I think the first 10 years no comments, but the last 2 years
Why
class
no
11
comments? Because you had some very special best friends.
No, it is fine. I'll agree to you because you are here and it's like 10:30 in the night on a Sunday, so you see how busy CAs are. They don't get time.
No, I'm not busy. If I'm doing this with you on a Sunday night, I'm not busy. Or
He's
maybe you're
particularly
too
very
important
free. I thought you would be on a date. Like,
It's
come
okay.
on, you're a kid from South Point. Like, you should be like getting dates.
ये क्या बोल रहा है? गाली सुनेगा क्या भाई? ठीक है, it's okay.
ठीक है
No comments. No comments.
Sorry. तो बच्चे देख रहे हैं इसको. नहीं. I don't encourage dating. हाँ.
Okay. Okay.
नो कमेंट्स. तो भाई इसमें क्या है कि 11 and 12 वाज वेरी लेट हम लोग का. वेरी लेट बिकॉज आई थिंक वी फॉर्म्ड अनदर गैंग ऑल टुगेदर हम लोग का.
That's
राइट.
crazy.
नॉट लाइक हम लोग म्यूजिक बैंड बना रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक जस्ट इतना बात
Just doing
करने को.
stuff. Like yeah, I mean, I cannot say the word, but doing that stuff.
Yeah, I mean while others were doing stuff,
Yeah.
we were doing our own stuff.
And our stuff was more crazy than their stuff. That was crazy, dude.
That is the most appropriate putting together the words. ठीक है भाई, मतलब हाँ, बट वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट. आई थिंक मेरा पूरा अकाउंट्स का कॉपी एंड इकोनॉमिक्स का कॉपी इज फुल ऑफ दमशलाद गेम. टिल नाउ आई प्रिजर्व देम. कोई दिन हम अपना बच्चा लोग को दिखाएगा कि भाई देख ऐसे भी स्कूल कटता है. सही है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, ये वर्ड है,
We
ये
should
वर्ड
play
है.
Hangman and what all. Yeah.
व्हाट नॉट
Like
मेरा
every-
सारा कॉपी तुम लोग चोरी करता था बैग से. टिफिन गायब रहता था. मतलब अलग ही एक
तुम टिफिन भी लाता था?
आई थिंक 10 तक. ओह वो दूसरा क्राउड चोरी करता था. सॉरी.
Don't blame me for others' actions.
हम लोग खाते ही नहीं थे भाई. हम
अरे we used to like go down in a tiffin break and do whatnot.
हाँ मतलब
I
वी
can't
फॉरगॉट.
tell.
वी यूज्ड टू फॉरगेट खाना भी है. कोई कहीं से मिल
खाते
गया.
तो थे. खाते तो
खाते
थे.
तो
कोई
कुछ
यहाँ
ना
पे
कुछ-
खा रहा है, उसका उठा के खा लिया. कोई यहाँ पे जा रहा है, उठा के खा लिया. खुद से कौन लाएगा?
हाँ बट बुली तो नहीं थे अपने लोग. अपने लोग
We were
बहुत
not
सभ्य
bullies.
थे.
We were not
वी वर
bullies.
नेवर बुलीज. आई डोंट इवन
Very friendly people.
हाँ वी आई डोंट थिंक वी एवर मॉक्ड एनीबॉडी आल्सो. We were
We
very
used to mock each other, but we
हाँ.
knew that the other person
we
can
knew
take
the
it.
limits though.
Yeah, other person can take it, and we were friends. We were so close, so it's okay with us. But
चलता था.
not external people. Yeah.
बट हम लोग का स्कूल का टाइम याद है. सुबह 6 बजे. मतलब
Don't get me started on that.
भाई जनवरी दिसंबर कभी भी सुबह 6 बजे उठ के जाना है स्कूल.
Yeah, 6:40 to be
हाँ
precise. And
ब्लेजर पहन के टाई पहन के बस पहुंच जाओ ऑटो स्टैंड पे. वी ऑल यूज्ड टू लाइक rendezvous on this point राजबिहारी पे and then we used to take the auto together.
yeah, I mean, and the best part was it was never coordinated.
हाँ, randomly we used to meet.
Randomly, almost like 90% of the times when we were going to school,
हाँ.
we like suppose 6:40 से स्कूल है, 6:30 अपने राजबेरी पहुंच जाते थे. 6:30 राजबेरी अपने आप होता था. वो कोऑर्डिनेशन होता ही नहीं था. उस टाइम पे फोन्स नहीं होते थे.
I used to arrive. हम तो पैदल चल के जाता था घर से. It was मेरा घर
हाँ.
से 5 मिनट का वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस. हम
And
पहुंचा.
I used to take an auto from Tollyganj till Rajbari. मेरे को दिखता था, अरे सागर वहां से जा रहा है, जल्दी चलो मेरे को पकड़ना है उसको.
Yeah, and luckily like तीनों मिल जाते थे. And we used to like wait for like 2 minutes. फोन होता था या नहीं होता था. We used to wait for 2 minutes and the third guy would also pop in.
कम या correct.
अंकित आ गया and then सब साथ में चले गए अपना स्कूल. And we were never late that much. We were always on time. I think कभी नहीं वो ऐसा हुआ कि लेट है घर वापस जाओ. कभी
नहीं
नहीं
वो तो कभी नहीं हुआ.
कभी नहीं हुआ. But there was a crowd. I think my brother says it all.
Who used to get late to school.
No, but he never used to go to school. He used to leave home in school uniform, but he used to come back after 2 hours.
That's true.
Yeah.
But
so
I know some of my friends who like used to suppose if our school started 6:40, they
Yeah.
used to leave home at 8, and they used to enter school after tiffin break. And for some magical reason, they were even allowed entry. Maybe they were into sports quota or they just to sneak, you know what? But I was very jealous of them.
But I never saw them. मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता था ऐसा हो रहा है.
I was
ये हम
very
first
jealous
time
of them. I'm like, तुम आधे दिन स्कूल आ रहे हो, तुमको अटेंडेंस पूरा मिल रहा है, और हम लोग यहाँ पे क्यों आ रहे हैं स्कूल?
But did we used to study? I'm asking this because you are a C, I am not, and I don't intend to be.
नहीं, स्कूल में if you talk about it, I don't think कभी कभी पढ़ लेते थे
11-12 में I think we were automatically scoring marks.
because there are subjects for in our genes, bro. Accounts, economics, business studies.
Yeah, I mean we weren't born with these subjects. We
Yeah.
were taught other subjects, but once these subjects came to us, it was a dream come true.
That's true. I mean,
ये सब्जेक्ट देखते थे हंसी आ जाता था चैप्टर में कि अरे ये इतना इजी.
correct. I mean,
हाँ.
if I compare like till class 10, I had some friends who took science and then they went on to a different school.
Right.
So like when I used to speak to them in class 11, they were like,
Right.
यार बहुत प्रेशर है यार, इतना पढ़ाई है. I'm like, क्या बोल रहा है ब्रो, मेरा तो इतना चिल है.
हाँ, सही
डेबिट
बात है.
क्रेडिट किया, हो गया, बैलेंस शीट मैच.
हाँ, और
That's
अपना
it.
बैलेंस शीट मैच भी करता था.
भाई, that was crazy. That was, you know, the
I mean, I have seen like if we were a class of 60 people, let's say
42.
42, अच्छा sorry, 42 people. I mean 60, 70 लोग ही तो थे पूरे कॉमर्स में. 80 के आसपास थे.
80-90, yeah.
80-90 के आसपास. अगर सबको ले लो, so we were there like 10 people who used to always score good marks,
That's correct.
and there was other पूरा 70 people who struggling.
The Pata people.
I don't want to bring that up because there had been झमेला. Do you remember?
Okay, you want to talk about that?
We'll not talk about. पर क्या पता फिर झमेला हो जाए. इस बार तो ऑफिस. I have things to lose, हाँ.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Now I don't have that persona कि कुछ भी हो जाए देख लेंगे. नहीं पिटना नहीं है इसमें. नहीं हाँ याद है यार क्या क्रेजी था लेकिन स्कूल लाइफ वाज लेट.
Specifically, if I talk about 11-12, I mean, crazy parties, crazy school fests.
हाँ.
पूरा स्कूल में हम लोग का ही है यार, कुछ भी फ्री पीरियड हुआ जाके थ्रो बॉल खेल रहे
And
हैं.
I think
कुछ भी
we
कर रहे हैं.
were also quite recognized by the teachers there. Like they
Yeah.
used to remember our names and everything.
Yeah, I mean,
या
like,
मतलब ये इस क्लास में ये करता है. And we never used to get any blame because we
And
used to score good
good
marks.
marks. Yeah, I mean, we were that kind of people. Like
Yeah.
मस्ती भी कर रहे हैं, पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकते हो लोग.
All rounder.
All rounder.
All rounder students थे अपने लोग.
It's true.
But ठीक है मतलब केस वेस तो नहीं खाए हैं अपने लोग कभी ऐसा कुछ. I don't remember. Get out of the class भी बहुत रेयर हुआ है. कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ, मेरा आज तक like serious वाला पेरेंट्स कॉल नहीं हुआ क्लास में.
मेरा एक बार हुआ था.
नहीं, बट आई रिग्रेटेड. मेरे को चाहिए था यार, कुछ तो हो यार स्कूल में.
हाँ,
एक
हाँ.
चाहिए था, अब लग रहा है यार आई मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी. एक आई रिमेंबर अ केस. सो देयर वाज दिस ज्योग्राफी टीचर. आई मीन आवर मेन टीचर, शी हैड गॉन ऑन सम लीव एंड देयर वाज अ रिप्लेसमेंट. Substitute, yeah. So at that time some unit tests or half yearly or some mock test had happened.
Right.
And the entire class had scored very poor marks. Like the average marks out of 100 was 40-50.
Right.
So I shouted. I mean, they were just showing us answer scripts, and everyone was very frustrated. Like, मेरा पेपर इतना अच्छा गया, इतना कम मार्क्स क्यों मिल रहा है? So
एक सेकंड रुक तो हमको रिकॉर्डिंग चेक करने दे. वापस से 20 मिनट चला जाएगा.
स्टोरी के बीच में नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
आई एम सॉरी.
अब कंटिन्यू कैसे करें?
नहीं अब ये पार्ट आएगा ना पॉडकास्ट. चेक किया. हाँ. So you got a substitute teacher geography का.
Yeah. And we had a test where everyone scored very poorly, like
Right,
40s, 50s out of 100. So everyone was very frustrated. Like, paper इतना अच्छा गया bro, marks क्यों खराब आए? So out of this frustration, I don't know what came into my mind. I'm saying, अबे साला ये teacher है या for teacher?
Oh.
and this was in class 7 or 8.
This
in
is-
class
this is
7 or
harsh.
8. I mean, this was like the most savage joke the entire class had
I
heard.
remember that.
I mean, and I don't
Somehow
know.
I remember this.
I thought that I spoke it very softly, but somehow it reached teacher's ears, and she saw me that I had spoken it.
Right.
तो तब मेरा गार्जियन कॉल हुआ था, but because that was like a pre-test or a selection, उसको और classes नहीं थे.
So it just got missed.
Yeah, cancel हो गया. Like ठीक है, हो गया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Very lucky.
And okay, yeah. Now I remember one more incident.
हाँ.
So there was this topic in history, if you remember, Cold War.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. So
You wrote the. अरे भाई.
Let me
Cold
tell
War.
the story.
हाँ बोलो ना भाई.
So it so happened that when we were being taught this chapter in our class, I was like, क्या history पढ़ रहे हो यार? मेरे को history बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था इसीलिए. So I was like, क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? So मनीमन मैंने आंसर बनाया, लिख दिया, and I showed it to some of my friends. They were like, bro, crazy है bro. ये तुझे एग्जाम में लिखना पड़ेगा. I'm like, लिख देंगे क्या बड़ा बात है? बोले लिख देगा पक्का? बोले हाँ ठीक है, let's do it. So what happened was class 10 के boards के पहले there was a mock test in our school.
अच्छा.
So I appeared for only 2 mock tests. One was maths because I used to love the subject at that time. Another was history because मेरे को ये करना था उस एग्जाम में. So I went to the exam. मैं Cold War का question आ भी गया luckily.
ओहो.
Luckily Cold War का question आ गया because that was a hot topic in our exam. So I wrote that answer, all the bullshit like Cold War happened in Ice Age in Iceland. Santa Claus was the chief guest.
मतलब कुछ भी बोलना था बोल दी.
Bro,
कुछ भी.
हाँ, like snowballs were the main weapons. Snowmans were the main defense arms.
This is your definition for Cold War.
Yeah, I mean, class 10, bro. Sense of humor भी इतना ही था. बहुत crazy answer था ये.
हाँ. उसके लिए केस खाया था.
Case खाया था. So what happened was exam हुआ. Then I forgot that I've written such an answer and in telling of my friends also. Then the results आया उस mock test का. पेपर दिखाने हमें बुलाया गया. Suddenly I opened my exam sheet.
Right.
100 I scored on 40 mein, but I remember that answer the teacher had just cut the
Scratched
entire
it
page in half and given 2 big question marks. Like what the hell have you written? And
But
then
she actually read it. You thought कोई पढ़ेगा ही
कोई
नहीं.
पढ़ेगा नहीं यार, like mock test से भी उनको क्या फर्क पड़ा, but no, they actually read it.
Oh.
But what happened was उसके बाद
I think they must have announced your name like
no
जब मैम आई
so the
होगी.
superintendent teacher came into the class
Hmm.
and they're like, who's Chirag Agarwal? I'm like, yeah, what happened? So she called me over, she took me
You were
outside
also
the
like,
class.
what happened?
मतलब not in that savage tone.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes, ma'am.
she took
Yes,
me
auntie.
auntie.
South Point kids never called their teachers ma'am.
It was-
We had the audacity for lifetime to call them auntie.
Yes, good
I got scolded.
morning, auntie.
I got so कितना गंदा झाड़ पड़ा है मेरे को. यूथोपिया फेस्ट होता था हेरिटेज का. I was like, एक मैम खड़ी है सामने and I was like, auntie, where is the washroom? And she turned around, she's like, who's auntie? And I'm like, you? and she goes, South Point na? And I was like, yes. And she was like, it's called ma'am.
That's
It's
it.
called ma'am. And I was like, oh my
That's
god.
very schoolish
I'm
of
like,
her.
I'm like, I'm so sorry, auntie. I will call you ma'am. And she goes, there's the washroom. Go. And after that, leave.
Oh,
And I was like, बाप रे बाप, आज बहुत गुस्सा कर दिया. तब से आज तक मैम बोला है. हम
Yeah.
स्कूल में भी मैम बोलना शुरू कर दिया था फिर. But apparently we had more male teachers, I think. We also had a male teacher for Hindi, if you remember. Manoranjan sir.
No, Manoranjan sir used to teach maths.
What are you? Oh, achha, sorry.
Rana sir, no.
No, Rana sir was for PT. There was some other sir. Don't you remember?
I remember, I don't recall the name.
I also don't recall that.
जाना सर नहीं, जाना तो मनोरंजन जाना ही था. मनोज सर नहीं, मनोज सर.
मनोज सर ही तो थे.
मनोज सर थे.
मनोज सर थे वो. क्या आदमी थे भाई.
Oh, crazy,
लेट
crazy,
आदमी थे.
crazy, man.
इतना प्यार से हिंदी कोई नहीं पढ़ा सकता है. आज तक नहीं.
Yeah.
But ठीक है. I think हिंदी was मेरा worst subject class 12.
I used to love Hindi and English because there was less material to study.
हाँ.
So plus one, and somehow I used to get good marks बचपन से उस subjects में.
But ठीक है. मतलब fast forward after school life.
Yeah.
Now you are a CA.
Yeah.
So I think बहुत like school
वो
में जो
पूछना
हम लोग
CA
एक
बना तो कैसा
experience.
लगा?
हाँ नहीं.
अरे पौंडीचेरी वाला स्टोरी बवाल है भाई.
हाँ भाई ठीक है. तो आप CA बने. मतलब you became a CA at 22.
At 22, yeah, 22. Correct.
22 and a half, something like that. No, 22.
22 and 1 month.
So I think that is like, is that the earliest you can become a CA? Almost.
No, I mean
6 months का lag होगा, I think.
नहीं, so I didn't skip any year. I did not have any failures as such which stopped me. But there are younger CAs also because starting में some kg कम, कुछ kg कम हो जाता है. So you can
Okay,
start
so you
early.
did 12, then instantly you did CPT,
Correct.
then IPCC, then final. Did
Yeah.
you give both groups साथ में?
Yeah.
मतलब you cleared at one shot technically. मतलब age wise there might be like younger CAs, but this is the optimum course
For
to
me at
complete.
least, yeah, at least.
So it took you 4.5 years. Pura.
Yeah, 4.5 years. That's the standard.
So you were very dedicated. I mean, obviously, right? And getting like qualified, what was your reaction?
Okay, so I was in Pondicherry at that time when my results were announced. This
Right.
is a good story actually.
हाँ.
So what used to happen was I did my articleship from a mid-sized firm in Calcutta, and when I joined my articleship in year 1 only, so I was told by my seniors that there's a client in Pondicherry.
Right.
So in Pondicherry, where you are sent for a month or so for audit, and
Right.
जितना मस्ती करना है करो, client पूरा Pondicherry घुमा देगा at their own expense. So that was like crazy for us. उस time पे ये होना and Pondicherry जैसा जगह पे जाके रहना. So I always used to think कि हाँ यार मेरे को भी जाना है, मस्ती होगा. But I could never go there because of first of all college,
Right.
and secondly tuitions.
Right.
So it so happened that after I gave my CA final exams in 2019, I still had 3-4 months of my articleship left.
Right.
And उसी time पे luck by chance you may call it, उसका audit आ गया. So what happened was I was selected for that audit. Not selected, I say I might have manipulated them into selecting me. Yeah. Somehow, yeah.
हम
Because
senior है.
yeah, because at that time you were a senior most almost.
हाँ,
There's a
हाँ.
batch, 4-5 लोग ही होते हैं उतने senior. And what used to happen was like पहले 15-20 दिन 4-5 articles आते थे.
अच्छा.
And at the end of the period, some partner or manager used to come and they wrap up the audit. So me being the senior most, I was the leader of the team. So we went to Pondicherry.
Right.
And what happened was
भूल गया.
भाई कुछ बोलने वाले थे. हाँ, there was this policy that a client had कि only qualified people would be allowed to take a flight.
Okay, मतलब जो लोग CA है,
हाँ,
No,
उनको ही
you
flight
how
का
can
पता
you be a CL internship? Oh, अच्छा, you completed and then 2 months was left articleship का.
No,
You
no.
became a CL. नहीं, you did not.
So this is like I gave my exams,
Okay.
but my articleship was ending in September. So like between May and September,
Okay.
these 4 months.
Okay.
उस टाइम का बात है.
So
like-
because you were senior most, you were considered to be like.
No, I was not.
Okay, okay.
So because I was not a qualified at that time, I was just an article.
Okay.
हम लोग को ट्रेन से जाना पड़ा था.
Oh.
All 4 of us, and it's a 30-35 hour journey from here to Chennai, and then a 4-hour drive from Chennai to Pondicherry.
Oh ho ho.
So there's like 36 hours traveling over 2 days.
बाप रे.
हम लोग गए, but ठीक है, उस समय यंग थे, मजा आ गया, 4-5 लोग थे, मजा आ गया. So we reached Pondicherry, we were there for 13-14 days. Then suddenly results का dates announce हो गया.
Result का date आ गया भाई एकदम final.
And it was like 13.
Like you were in Pondicherry at that time.
I was in Pondicherry that.
Were you expecting the result there or were you like
I
वापस?
was expecting कि यार maybe और 10 दिन बाद आ जाएगा. By that time I'll be in
But
Calcutta.
ICI being ICI.
ICI. And there's one more part to it. So first of all, Rakhi that year was earlier 15th August के आसपास Rakhi था. 15th
Right,
August था.
right.
And the result date was another 14th August.
Right.
12th August को रात को I slept.
Okay.
I thought कि ठीक है परसों रिजल्ट है, टेंशन नहीं लेते हैं.
सही है.
13th August morning I woke up. I saw that the results have been preponed.
Oh.
So
मतलब to that date,
To
to
that
that
date.
time.
correct, that's correct.
Oh.
So मेरे को first of all first time being away from home
Right.
at Rakhi, that was like a bit
New.
Yeah, that was new for me, and थोड़ा emotionally भी I was low because yeah, obviously Rakhi है.
हाँ, you're
festival
missing
है.
your sisters and all. Yeah,
Correct.
obviously.
And like the other peers that I had, they had some sisters in Chennai or Bangalore, so they all went away.
Mm-hmm.
एक और लड़का था मेरे साथ बस उस टाइम पे. So 13th morning I woke up, I'm like ये क्या हो गया, रिजल्ट्स आ जा रहा है. And I was like
Oh.
shocked. बोले ये क्या, ऐसे मजाक कर रहे हैं क्या? But
अरे.
ठीक है, it happened. So it's a normal day. So we had a plan there, client का फैक्ट्री में गए. नॉर्मल 3-4 बजे तक वेट किया.
Okay, so you are already hyped up about your result and you are still going that day to work.
Yeah,
to your,
I'm like
refresh किए जा रहे फोन.
हाँ, but अब आए हैं तो काम कर लेते हैं.
काम तो
ऐसा
करना ही
था.
है. हाँ, काम तो करना
ऐसा
ही है.
था. And हाँ, so there's one more story. So articleship time में what used to happen was like I was बहुत बदनाम था articleship firm में कि ये तो लड़का 4 बजे भाग जाता है ऑफिस से. And it used to, but there's a reason
Okay.
behind it because my client was in Salt Lake Sector 5
Okay.
and me I used to stay in South Calcutta.
Okay.
So I had all my tuitions in South Calcutta only, like Hazra, Bhawanipur, etc.
Cool.
So at office time, coming from Sector 5 to Hazra,
Definitely, it's
Bhawanipur,
very far away.
yeah. So it used to take me minimum of 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hours.
Yes.
So every day, if my tuition starts at 5:30, I have to leave by 4.
4. Yeah.
So I even told my partners, like my managers, that give me a separate client, give me another client who's nearby.
जिसको उस टाइम स्लॉट में आप मैनेज कर पाओ.
Correct. They didn't. They were like, ठीक है, चल रहा है. I was also happy. So, but after a point in time, I realized that I'm infamous in my firm as ये लड़का 4 बजे भाग जाता है. ये 4 बजे निकल जाता है.
मतलब तुम्हारा peers तुमको ऐसे सोच रहा है.
Peers, seniors, managers, everyone. I was like infamous.
But कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है.
कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा. And suddenly, मतलब I came to know about this much later. कोई लड़का मेरे पास आया, लाइक आप वही हो ना 4 बजे भाग जाता है.
Oh.
क्या बोल रहा है ब्रो? लाइक ये क्या है? ये कैसा डिस्क्रिप्शन है?
अरे बाप रे.
Yeah, so I'll connect the story to the CA वाला
Right.
story now. So what happened is results उस दिन pressure है.
Right.
Results का timing was around 4 PM only.
So you're in the factory and you are known as the 4 बजे भागने वाला person.
Correct. So
Okay.
and
And the result is like 2 बजे result आने वाला है ऐसा कुछ.
हाँ, correct.
Right.
And there's a big conference that the client has given. Files
Cool.
भरे पड़े हैं, हम लोग चारों बैठे हुए हैं.
Right.
मस्ती कर रहे हैं, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, फाइल्स
सही है,
देखे जा रहे हैं,
सही है.
बार रिफ्रेश किए जा रहे हैं. एंड अचानक 4 बजे आई गॉट एन SMS फ्रॉम भैया रिजल्ट आ गया, देख लो.
Right.
अचानक दैट वाज लाइक 4:02 PM or 4:03 PM, something of this
हाँ.
sort. And I went outside the conference room because I wanted to see it by myself.
Right.
विंडो के पास गया, I just used my MI phone. MI phone में लॉगिन किया, नंबर डाला, I just about to press enter, and suddenly I don't know what happened. The client manager,
Right.
just he happened to go on a walk.
अच्छा.
So वो walk पे जा रहा था, तो he talked to me for 10 minutes or something. I didn't tell him that मेरे results है आज because
अच्छा.
because वो सब
Because वो फिर तुमको
हाँ,
इंस्पेक्ट करने, जज करने लगता है कि
correct.
फेल हो गया तो.
correct. Yeah, so
हाँ, होता है. It makes sense.
yeah, so 10 मिनट भाग किया उससे. Then suddenly I don't know what happened. I forgot that my results announced हो गया है. हम 10 मिनट बात करके उससे वापस जाके कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में जाके बैठ गया. मेरे जूनियर्स जो थे मुझसे पूछे क्या भाई पास हो गए क्या? हम बोले हो देखा ही नहीं हम तो.
जा.
फिर हम वापस बाहर गया, रिजल्ट्स किया and I cleared.
Oh.
And
You were in Pondicherry
I was
in a
in
client
Pondicherry.
factory.
And I was facing the beach.
Oh.
The factory overlooked the beach, so it was
Okay.
crazy.
तो मतलब वो लुक सही था.
लुक सही था.
It complemented the event that just happened.
Correct. And what happened was like उसके बाद like चलो पैक करो आज और काम नहीं करना चलो पार्टी करते हैं. And the best part is we went out, we partied the entire night almost, and जो भी बिल आया वो क्लाइंट से क्लेम किया हम. And my juniors don't know that till date.
अब पता है.
If they are watching.
अब तो शेयर होगा भाई.
हाँ, so they like चिराग भैया पार्टी दिया, अब चिराग भैया पार्टी दिए. मतलब मत बताओ बाकी लोग को भी देना पड़ जाएगा. कोई बात नहीं भैया आप तो दे दोगे. चिराग भैया पार्टी दिए.
बट अपेरेंटली चिराग भैया नहीं वो फर्म पार्टी दिया जो तुमको वो व्यू भी दिया बीच का.
करेक्ट. And just to close out that story, so
the 4 बजे वाला thing, how did it?
Exactly. So one of my articles, he was a nice friend, you know.
Yeah.
So he was junior, but he's a nice friend. So he said, देख वो भैया बोलते हैं ना ये 4 बजे भाग जाता है, 4 बजे निकल जाता है. भैया को फोन करके बोल भैया मेरा 4 बजे रिजल्ट्स आया और मैं निकल गया.
Oh, अच्छा, okay, I see this now.
I'm like, okay, this is night.
4 बजे.
हाँ, this is nice, but this is too savage. I don't want to do that. Like, हाँ, but I like your sense of humor. तुम बहुत आगे जाओगे.
But सही है मतलब finally you cleared and you were. I think your happiness knew no bounds.
The story.
हाँ.
So
बाकी है.
after I qualified, so because CA बनने के बाद like the next couple of days you let that feeling sink in.
Right.
उसको लगता है what next? अब क्या करना है आगे? अब next goal क्या है? Next goal is to find a good job.
Right.
So उसके लिए CV बनाओ. So I was like अब मेरे को यहाँ नहीं रहना. I want to come back to Calcutta. Even like 10 days or so were remaining for the audit.
अच्छा.
I called up my partner and said अब मेरे को नहीं रहना. मेरे को वापस जाके अपने job search पे focus करना है.
अच्छा.
So I'm just coming back. So like ठीक है 1-2 दिन बाद आ जाओ.
Okay.
And what happened was because I was qualified, I got a plane ticket to come back from Chennai to Calcutta.
Oh my God. Okay, so you went by train.
But
You came back qualified. That's why you got the plane wala tickets.
Correct.
And all your remaining of the juniors.
They had to come back to it. And that's
so
true.
it's like char chand laga. You got too many benefits.
Correct.
Yeah, but I think you must have felt you deserved it. Obviously.
Yeah, I mean who doesn't feel so?
Yeah, definitely.
So,
मतलब ये तो बहुत सही हो गया ना. मतलब एक तो you are actually like qualified the same day you are in Pondicherry where you wanted to be, and then you will overlooking
but
the beach.
I would have preferred if I was at home with
obviously
my family or
with
my
your loved
friends.
ones. Everybody is excited. लेकिन फिर भी मतलब this is you enjoyed your achievement in solitude.
That's correct.
Right, with all the perks you wanted to have.
And a free party to show off.
Like it gave you a glimpse of the future.
It did, yeah, kind of.
Kind of ना मतलब अब life ऐसे रहेगा. अब life high रहेगा. Now I'll fly. Hey guys. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you really enjoyed the content. Please like, share and subscribe so that we can keep putting up really fresh content almost regularly.